Today I'm going to do a little project very useful for coming season. I'm using the new Let's Get Cozy collections. So I am mainly using the 8x8, but if you prefer the pattern to be a little bit bigger, you can use the 12-inch pack. But it works both. So let's get into cutting the size. First, this is a black chipboard, a little bit hard. You can use it white and then just paint the corners in black, or you can just use other paper color. I like the chipboard because it is quite thick and it holds a little bit better. If you prefer to use cardstock, you may need to put maybe 2 layers of paper on top, because graphic 45 paper is a little bit thin, so it may not hold that well. So the size is here, and we are going to score it like this. And then we will cut the design paper, total 4 pieces of this size, and then 2 pieces of this size. Okay, and then we will do it. So you can decide which pattern for which. Okay. And then we have inner pockets, which is used with cardstock because chipboard will be a little bit too thin, too thick. So the size is here. And then afterwards, I am going to cut the corners. And then we need 3 of the bar for here. Size is here, and then in the middle, size is here. Oh, this one is from the general cuts. Smaller size, okay? Great. Here. next we are going to make a bigger version. The size is here, and we are scoring in the middle. And then another piece this size. Then we will be gluing one of this on top or here. It depends, whatever you like. Then we will glue the design paper. The size is Then I also make a belly band. The size is here and score here. Then we will prepare a design paper. Put on here. So we also have 4 pieces of this size. And it is different from this one. This is slightly smaller, okay? So when we put it here, make sure the pattern is what you want. We'll also glue the gap. The size is here. Okay, we have another pocket to assemble. The size is here and score here. design paper. The size is here. And then for the 3 pieces of the corner, now we have a pocket. So we have did this just a while ago, and at this stage you can still decide which is the front and which is the back. So I am going to put the corner of the pocket here. Okay, so I just briefly decorate, not too complicated. And this pocket we can put some text and general cards here, just random size, don't care too much, just smaller than this 5-inch area should be great. And then we can always put here. I also make a cut with leftovers cardstocks. Very simple, just like this. So you can use this extra page as photo, stick photos or cuts, or add some pockets. Is up to you. But I am going to add the final step, which is a little bit of closure here. So I think if you think this is a little bit awkward, cover it. Or if you are going to put photos page on here, so you can just put cardstock on the top later. So I will just leave it be, because maybe I will stick a cut here, so leave the potential. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this.